You there? Okay, echo me. Hello, how are you? I am fine. It's music time. Hello, how are you? I am fine. It's music time. Okay, let's go head over to my story corner. Come on. Welcome to my story corner. Echo me really quick. Yee-haw! Yee-haw! Okay, now listen to the story about Cowboy Joe. Cowboy Joe was a bold young man. He dreamed of rustling cattle most of all. He wanted to see if the cows would come when he let out his cowboy call. Yee-haw! He practiced all day from morning to night, and he practiced both summer and fall. He knew someday he would have the chance to try out his cowboy call. Yee-haw! Well, finally, one day, it was proudly announced that his ma and pa and all were taking a trip to his grandfather's ranch where he could try out his cowboy call. Yee-haw! He jumped for joy and grabbed his gear and he ran back down the hall. He hopped into the car and was ready to go to let out his cowboy call. Yee-haw! When he arrived at the ranch, he was happy to see that the cows were not in the stall. He dashed to the field where they quietly grazed and he let out his cowboy call. Yee-haw! Well, they all did come right up to the fence and he sure felt 10 feet tall. I'm Cowboy Joe. See how the cows come when I let out my cowboy call. Yee-haw! Now, that was really some day for Cowboy Joe, and he sure did have a ball. Now he's wanting to try bigger and better things, so he's practicing his elephant call. Woo! Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but both of our rooms just got full of spider webs. And we need to get to the other side. How are we gonna get to the other side? We have to go through the spider webs. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do it. Some of them are low, so you have to climb low, you have to climb high. So let's climb through our room. Are you ready? Let me go first, just so I can make sure it's safe before you guys go too. So, okay. Here I go. So I'm gonna crawl on the floor to get under some of them. I'm gonna climb up high. Super carefully. Getting through. Okay. Made it over. Your guys' turn. So we just made it here. Awesome. Okay. Let's go back to the other side of the room. You guys there. Let's go. How'd it go? Was it okay climbing back? Maybe do that a few times, right? I think the spiders are afraid of us. So the more you go through the room, the more they'll go away, and then the spider webs will go away, right? So you guys can go ahead and try that a few times. Yeah? Okay, so now we're gonna do a little musical science experiment. So what I want you to do is find 3 glass cups. It has to be glass cups, it cannot be plastic. Find 3 glass cups, a spoon, and you're gonna need some water. So with the water, what I want you to do is fill up the cup a little bit, fill the other cup up almost half or a little bit more, fill the last cup up a lot, right? A lot. Pause the video and go find these things. Okay, did you find all these things? So now with the spoon, tap the one with the least amount of water, tap the middle one, tap the end. What do you notice? What is changing between these three cups? Do you notice that this one's now high, this one's low, and this one's somewhere in the middle? So make sure your cup is high, low, somewhere in the middle. What happens if you take away water? What happens if I were to take water on this? What would happen to this one? It would get higher or lower. This one will get higher if you take away the water. Now, if you add more water to this one, what would this one do? That one would go higher or lower? Lower, right? So the less water, the higher the note's gonna be. And the more water, the lower it's gonna be, right? Awesome, okay. We're gonna play a little song with these 3 cups, so make sure you keep them out. So we need it to be around the same sound as that, okay? Echo me. Oh my, no more pie. Pie's too sweet. I want a piece of meat. Meat's too red. I want a piece of bread. Bread's too brown. I think I'll go to town. Town's too far. I think I'll take a car. Car won't go. I fell and stubbed my toe. Toe gives me pain. I think I'll take a train. Train had a wreck. I fell and hurt my neck. Oh my, no more pie. Okay, now take our spoons. Taking our spoons. Watch this. Oh my, no more pie. Pie's too sweet. I want a piece of meat. Yeah? You see that? Go ahead, practice this really quick. Yeah? Can you echo me on your instruments? These are now your cup instruments. Echo me on your instruments. Oh my, no more pie. Pie's too sweet. I want a piece of meat. Meat's too red. I want a piece of bread. Bread's too brown. I think I'll go to town. Town's too far. I think I'll take a car. Car won't go. I fell and stubbed my toe. Toe gives me pain. I think I'll take a train. Train had a wreck. I fell and hurt my neck. Oh my, no more pie. Okay, one more question. Oh my, is this one too high or too low? Oh my. That one's confusing me too a little bit. Think about it. If you can figure it out, let me know. Okay, so here's the last thing we're gonna do today. Please stand up and do the motions that I'm going to do. Oh, Chester, have you heard about Harry? He just got back from the army. I hear he knows how to wear a rose. Hip, hip, hooray for the army. Oh, I say, have you heard about Harry? He just got back from the next to the front, where he's needed at the foot of the army. Everybody knows about Harry. Hip, hip, hooray for the army. So I think you guys should go back to this movement thing we just did and try that again, right? The audio got super weird here, so I had to like voice myself over. So you should try it again, right? Yeah, try it one more time. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much. See, now it's loud again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really miss all of you. I will be posting another video next week. So come back next week and look for a new one and explore this website. I put up a lot of stuff for you guys to do at home if you want. So, bye.